Like, that's what we need to talk about now. Nexus. Yeah. We're almost even saying don't buy our AL4 or AL3. Spend the money.
Don't say that.
I know. I know.
But I know what you mean.
Like, we have the AL4, we have the HD3, we have the AL4 and AL3. We have these other covers because, you know, not everybody wants to spend $1,200 on a cover. We totally get it. So we have, like, you know, the different tiers. We have, you know, the $800 cover, we have the $900 cover, we have the $1,000 cover, we have the $1,200 cover. We get it. With that said, all our covers from AL3 to Nexus, they all have the same build quality. You know, very durable, resistant to like weathering, resistant to salt and chemicals and things like that.
So the three covers are exactly the same. The only thing
the base, the foundation is the same. The AL4 compared to the HD3 and then the AL3 is the first tier with full bed access. So it flips up and gives you full bed access without having to remove the cover. Can you get full bed access on an AL3? Absolutely, it's very easy. Just unscrew the knob and it comes off very easy. It's very light. So it's not hard to get full bed access, but if you want to keep it on and just flip it open and closed, then you're moving up to the L4. The L4 flips up and secures with prop rods like every other cover, flip up cover, hard cover on the market. Then the Nexus is like just game-changing new way of doing it, never before done. And we have that active lock system on the Nexus cover. That's a one-of-a-kind, unique feature, only available at Worksport, only available on the Nexus. It's comparatively priced to other similar products, flagship products on the market, except that they have prop rods. They need to operate it by going one end to the other. If they're like, I've been asked questions like if one side is blocked, one side of the truck is blocked, how do you access it? A lot of times people don't put up both prop rods. They'll put up the one prop rod. That's dangerous because it's not designed to take that kind of pressure. It can fail. Dangerous. Or they'll have both prop rods and then they can't get to the other one, and then they're either climbing into the bed of it's not like you can't take it down, but you're climbing up into the bed of the truck. It's not like you can't do it. Nobody's saying, oh, you're out of shape, you can't climb into the bed of the truck. But what if you don't have to? It's just something you don't have to do anymore. You don't have to do any of that anymore. You just open and close it, pull the cable, end of story. Why not choose it if it doesn't cost you any more money? That's the no-brainer, right? Why not choose it if it's not costing you an extra $300? If it's costing you the same as the next leading cover, but you don't have to have prop rods anymore, why even bother choosing them? And that's the game-changing part of it. That's Nexus. So that's what makes it special.
It is a game-changer.
It is a proprietary system. It is our system. It's our design. We have patent pending. It is something that is uniquely ours. So if you are interested in a hardcover made in America, that's very important. There's very little sourced from overseas. It is built with as much attention to detail, to quality as we can possibly do. We don't price our products to gouge people. We comparatively price them. We want to be competitive in the market. And most importantly, we want people to use our product, see our product, talk about our product, give us reviews, put up videos. These are all things, we just want to see people using our product. We really, really, really believe in it. And we really believe it is a better product, and we believe that our customers are going to think it's a better product once they start using it.